is kicking in hard, man. I am enjoying myself on this cruise, man. Feels good. But Bahamas, we on our way to you. We on our way. Be ready. Chicago in the building. Good morning. It looks so beautiful out here. Look, let me just turn this. Look how beautiful that water looks. Y'all can't tell me that don't look beautiful. I slept good. I ain't gonna even lie. I slept really, really good. Smooth. The ride was smooth. My aunt said that the boat was doing a little rocket through the middle of the night. That's crazy. I mean, I slept good. My auntie got up. Look, hold on, let me tell y'all. My auntie got up this morning, not even this morning, it was like the middle of the night, could have been like 4 o'clock. Now, you know, he was partying last night. My auntie gets up thinking she at home. So she coming out here to the balcony to try to use it. We like, no! Look, I'm gonna show y'all the view. Y'all got to see this view. I'm not exaggerating. Y'all gotta see this. Beautiful. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the water. Look. Look at that ahead of us. Look, that's like another boat. Let's see. It's behind us. It's just beautiful, man. Even the sky is beautiful. The water's so blue. Look how blue it is. That's some blue water, man. It's too beautiful out here. Too beautiful. Man, so I don't know. I haven't had no breakfast. That's what I want to get some breakfast. Wash my face, brush my teeth. I like that Hello toothpaste too. That's the black one. I like that toothpaste. Fluoride free is charcoal. I like that one. It was like almost $10 just for a bottle of it. But yeah, I gotta get some breakfast. I'm not even a big eater neither, but I haven't eaten. So let me see what they got for breakfast. Man, can't wait to get off the boat so we can see the view. But this water is beautiful. I gotta end this video off with that water. With that water. Splash. I heard that she got that water. And I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm brand new. And I see y'all on the next go round, alright? Daytime now, gang, so y'all can see a little better. And the weather is nicer. There go the water slide and the water park I was talking about last night. Look, you got people out here. There go the pool. There go the screen. It's really nicer out here. Maybe the cruise out here. This is the weather we was looking for, gang. And I know, like earlier when I did my video, you could hear a lot of noise. That's because of the water. The water makes so much noise, but it's beautiful. It's crazy how the water makes so much noise and it's peaceful. So it's like noisy, peaceful. Look, we're gonna go closer up. Let me show y'all. So we're gonna go over here. Look how beautiful it is. Too beautiful, man. I don't even lie. Too beautiful. When I say beautiful, I mean peaceful. This is so peaceful. And it's crazy because you don't even feel the boat moving. You know how people get seasick and stuff like that? Thank God I have not experienced that because I can't feel it moving. I really have to be looking to feel the boat moving. Like, for real, it's waves in the water too. Real nice though. I made it at the end of the boat. Back of the ship, the tail. I mean, look, they got foods everywhere. Look at them. Look at the people. Partying everywhere. It's like for the grown folks. The grown and sexy folks. No, I'm just playing. Look how that water pushing in the back. how light is coming. I mean, beautiful, man. Beautiful, gang. I gotta show y'all. Hold on. Look, there we go. How beautiful that look. Y'all can't tell me that don't look beautiful. I even made it be. The cloud. Beautiful. People out here chilling. Honorable glory. If you just look straight ahead, it just look like we leaving. No ending. It's a never ending. Beautiful. You know what? I never knew that the Atlantic Ocean could be so beautiful like this, man. It's just so unreal to see the ocean up close. Like, for real, for real. Man, I'm blessed. So blessed, and it feels so good to be out here. You got people chillaxing, sleeping. So, I can't wait till we get to the Bahamas. You know, can't wait to feel the weather in the Bahamas. I swear, gang, when that water be behind me and I be talking, you really look, it look like I'm in a whole movie. It don't even look real. That's how beautiful and amazing it is up close. And I'm glad I'm here to see it. Shout out to Chicago too. I'm always representing y'all, no matter where I'm at. But it's just beautiful up here. I mean, me just talking to y'all alongside the water. It's so peaceful. It's really, really, really peaceful. So peaceful. But it looks like an unreal movie. Like a back screen. No, this real. I'm here. I'm here and I don't know how to act. Man, we're supposed to be hitting Key West tomorrow. We able to get out, so that's why I'm gonna take y'all with me to Key West. All right, I'll see y'all then. Good morning. Okay. I hope everybody slept good. I hope everybody doing good. Man, I slept good. Nice, smooth ride on the boat. As y'all can see, y'all see this behind me? Look, I'm pointing over there. It's right, it's which way it is, y'all. It's right there. Y'all see that island right there? It's just good to see some land somewhere, man. I mean, it felt like we was out in the middle of nowhere. So it's finally good to see some land. I mean, the water looked good. It looked like clean a little bit. I see little boats, little buoys. So it's good to finally see some, because it felt like we was in the middle of nowhere, even though we was in the middle of the ocean. I mean, finally see some land. It feel good. It look beautiful too. Let's see if we can get a better look. The water is like green turquoise looking. It look like houses and everything on that one little island around it. Ain't nothing else around it. It look like they got everything right there. So to get back and forth, it look like they have to get on the boat to get here, to get there. That's dope. And the one behind it. Yeah, we getting closer. Yo, gang, I'm finna get ready and get in the shower and everything. So, you know, it's nice and peaceful out here. But I'll turn and look, and it's a ship behind us. Let's see if I can catch it. Y'all see her? Where y'all going behind us? I wonder where they going. Where y'all think they going? What they look like? Y'all ain't coming with us. No, I'm just playing. But that's cool to see another ship coming. Getting off the ship.
Alright, bro. Key West, Key West.
Yes, we made it, finally. Look at the beautiful water behind me, gang. phone and clicked it. It's finally here. When I say it's beautiful out here, it's beautiful. I really want to show y'all the ship. Y'all see that? I gotta show y'all better. I know I'm so up close on the ship, but it's huge. Okay, that's the back. It's a big old ship. Look how sparkly the water is. Which way you want to go, anything? They got the Jeep rentals. Look at the skis. Jet ski, right? Yeah. I see.
How y'all doing today?
Alrighty, how you doing?
Good.
Alright.
Shark too.
They got everything. Oh. Well, I don't know about that. What you think about that shark tour? I like the boat. Okay, so that must be like the shopping area and everything. Oh, yeah. Okay. These are nice. Nice little condo for the boats. They got spas. It's beautiful out here. They got everything.
It's so cute though.
Yep.
People hit
Right? Aww. The pigeons. Young love.
Yeah. Pigeons.
Yep. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, finally could see it. Really good. Y'all see the boat? Carnival Glory. Finally, that is a big one. It's a big one, y'all. I gotta take a picture of that. The pretty trees, palm trees. We around all salt water. They said if we drink it, we'll be sick.
Yes, you will.
I don't want no salt water. So why they make us rinse our mouth out with salt water?
Really, nigga?
Yep, that's a different type. Yep. And I wonder what this big building is right here. I see ice cream.
Is that the church she was?
That might be the church she was talking about. Here go my Auntie Lane favorite place right here. Y'all see that ice cream? Key West Polar Bar. Key West is actually beautiful. The weather is beautiful. It's really beautiful out here. The trees look beautiful. I just really want to show y'all the scenery. Snacks. They got the lights on the tree. Let me get a ride, bruh. Margaritaville. My auntie got tired of walking, so I'm by myself, which is cool because I get to spend time with y'all. Beautiful weather. Y'all can hear the wind. It's probably loud on the phone. But man, I'm really lost for words. I ain't gonna even lie to you because it's just so beautiful and peaceful. I just really want to show y'all the footage of everything. Everybody outside, everybody hanging, chilling, kicking it. So it feels good. And the hospitality is rocking right now, man. I appreciate that from Key West, man. I appreciate that from New Orleans. Y'all definitely know. Let me say it right. New Orleans. Man, shout out to y'all both, definitely. Okay, I hit a little music. Hey. So it looks like there's some ice cream shops over here. So I really want to cross the street, you know what I'm saying? And see what's over there. I'm a little dry, my mouth and face a little dry. I did wash my face, I brushed my teeth and everything. Just, I guess I ain't put enough lotion on, enough Vaseline on. So don't be trying to talk about me, alright? But let's see. Look, there's a whole bunch of shops and everything. Look behind me. I don't even know where to go to first. I just want to show y'all everything. Look at the train. See the train? They got the tour bus right here. I want to find me a store. I want some snacks. That ice cream, I see the ice cream is really popular here because that's all I can see is ice cream.